1. Conduct keyword research first. 2. Choose keywords with good reach potential. 3. Create a good video title. 4. Add tags to the video. 5. Write smart descriptions. 6. Edit the video file name. 7. Create transcriptions and captions for the videos. 8. Make longer videos. 9. Increase CTR in search results. 10. Increase audience engagement. 11. Promote the channel and videos. 12. Create custom thumbnails for your videos. 13. Take advantage of end screens and YouTube cards. 14. Categorize your video. 15. Create a playlist for related videos. 16. Collaborate with influencers. 17. Optimize channel art and logo. 18. Host live Q&A sessions. 19. Aim to create high retention videos. 20. Raise your production value as much as possible. 21. Keep an eye on your analytics.